Hi, and welcome to another video. I put this together as just a toy, really, as the title says, color toy. I put it together just as a kind of an example of what you can do with conditional formatting and the rand between function, which I'll go over both of those in future videos. But this is just something I put together, and you can play around with it if you're bored at work. Or at home, whatever you're doing. If you're a patron, you have access to this file. I've created another post with this file attached to it. If you go to the formulas tab in the ribbon bar, and then over on calculate now, and if you click that, you'll see that all the boxes change colors. Again, just a little toy to play around with. If you have access to the file, if you're a patron, you can go into it and poke around and see if you can make your own out of it, make your own designs. And again, I'll do some videos in the future on the rand between function and conditional formatting, which is all that it takes to, get this up and running. So anyway, thanks for watching.